In this program we will learn how to create a list, but before creating a list we will learn why list we use in Python. So basically when we reduce the number of variables, so we just simply use list to store more values in simple list or simple variable rather than creating more variables. So basically the pattern of creating list is just write down a name equals to brackets and double quotation, and you will just add your values or string inside it. Afterward, to print that list in Python, you will type print and the name of your variable. So the output you have seen, you will just print the name. This program is clutter free. You will see the clear and shorthand program which is easy to understand. Now there is one more thing we will learn in this program, which is index. Now we are going to learn about index in list, how to check the index in a list. First we will learn what is index. So index is basically the address of your list. So your values will be stored in memory with the help of index number. And how we are going to find out the index number of these values? We simply write down variable name and give a number of index in brackets. So it will show you the name of your value, also the index number which is stored in a memory. This is how your list will work in Python. Keep practicing this program and create more lists in a Python